What's the best way to identify the right replacement catalytic converter for any vehicle in the state of New York? That's our topic in this video. Installing the correct converter is vital to restoring proper vehicle performance and complying with the law. We're going to show you how to quickly identify the correct Walker converter every time in New York. Effective January 1, 2023, New York will enforce updates to aftermarket converter regulations following the California Air Resources Board standards, otherwise known as CARB or ARB emissions standards. In New York, CARB-compliant units must be used for all model years. In surrounding states, when servicing vehicles registered in the state of New York, CARB-compliant units must be used for all model years. The first step to identifying the correct aftermarket replacement converter is to locate the Vehicle Emissions Control Information label. This can be found in the engine compartment on the underside of the hood, on a strut tower, on the air filter housing, along a radiator support or fan shroud, or on the vehicle's firewall. When looking up a CARB-compliant converter, your next step should be to check the label for the engine family number or EFN, sometimes called the test group number, and write it down. The engine family number should not be confused with the EVAP family number, which can be in very close proximity to the EFN on the label. Next, we'll look up the correct Walker replacement converter in the Walker catalog. Any vehicle that is pre-OBD or 1995 and older will not require an engine family number for aftermarket replacement converter lookup, so you will not see the EFN in the Walker Aftermarket Converter e-catalog results. Any vehicle that is OBDII or 1996 and newer will require an engine family number for aftermarket replacement converter lookup, and this number will match the EFN on the Vehicle Emission Control Information label. Remember, in the state of New York, you must install a CARB-compliant converter. Therefore, you'll need the following information to look up the correct Walker CalCat converter: year, make, model, engine displacement, and engine family number. Thanks for watching, and remember, you can count on Walker to keep you up to date on the latest emissions control requirements. Be sure to visit www.walkerexhaust.com and check out each of our Walker emissions control videos on the Walker Emissions YouTube channel.